The Kerala High Court Division Bench has lifted the stay on the release of Kerala Story 2. So the bench of Justices S.A. Dharmadhikari and P.V. Balakrishnan stayed the interim order that was passed by Justice Kurian Thomas, which stayed the release for 15 days. So this now means that the movie can hit theatres as scheduled. So the Kerala High Court has now lifted the stay on the release of Kerala Story 2. Remember, the case had come up for hearing. A petitioner had challenged the release of the movie after the trailer came out, alleging that the teaser leads to divide in society, after which the High Court did take note of it and did say that some of the contentions that have been raised by the petitioner have been noted. My colleague Arpita is joining us on the broadcast with the details. So, Arpita, does this now mean that the release of the movie can happen, that the movie can release? What are the details of what happened in the court?
Well, Pratibha, the copy is yet to be uploaded, so we are waiting for a detailed order copy. But as far as it is concerned, the division bench has lifted the stay that the single bench had put yesterday, which said, because there was a petition which said that the movie was portraying Kerala in a bad light, it was putting the Malayalis in a bad light, and that is why the petitioners were against the movie. They had asked the movie to be stayed, and after hearing, the single bench yesterday had stayed the order, which said that today it was the Kerala movie, the Kerala Story 2 was supposed to release today, but the single bench had put a stay, after which the producers had gone to division bench, and there was an urgent hearing that had taken place yesterday at 7:30 p.m. The arguments went for about 2 hours, and later the division bench had said that they will pronounce the order today. And after much anticipation, now it is said that the division bench has lifted the stay that was put by the single bench. Now, when the movie will be released and what happens next, the detailed copy is still awaited, but it's definitely a relief for the producers and the filmmakers of Kerala Story 2, because time and again they were saying that it is based on true life stories, but it doesn't just talk about Kerala, it talks about many other states in the country. But even though the petitioners were saying if it is a true story and if it talks about multiple states, then why is the name called Kerala Story 2? They shouldn't be naming that, because that name gives out a wrong message to the people of Kerala. It looks like all of this is completely connected to Kerala, and that is what the petitioners were saying. And they had cleared it yesterday that it is not a PIL. It was a personal this, which, because they thought as a Malayali it was tarnishing their image, and that is why they had approached the High Court to stay the movie. And now, after producers had gone to the division bench, which held the hearing yesterday at 7:30 p.m., the urgent hearing was heard, and now it is stated that the lift has been revoked.
Okay, so this means that Kerala Story 2, the movie, can release. Earlier, the High Court had put a stay on the release, and now there is some relief for the filmmakers. The High Court Division Bench reserving the judgment and then saying that it can release. So this means that Kerala Story 2 will be hitting the theatre soon. Objections had been raised to it, with petitions also being filed in the High Court, with multiple petitions claiming that it can cause division in society.